Hello, Mark here. I trust you're well. For well over a decade now, I've been helping other photographers understand the ecosystem of Lightroom, Lightroom Classic, Photoshop, other post-processing tools as a photographer. And I do that by hosting live community events. So what's coming up on our next post-processing skills and support sessions? Well, have you ever been confused about color grading? When to use it? What is it? Well, on Monday the 15th, 7 p.m. UK time, we are looking at color grading in Lightroom Classic and Photoshop Camera Raw. And there is a subtle difference. On Tuesday the 16th of June, 7 p.m. again, UK time, we're looking at filing our images. A structured workflow. It's a conversation of how we can store our images so you can find them in one click. And we're going to primarily do that in Lightroom Classic. However, the theories work in Finders and other applications. Tuesday the 17th, we're off to our editing sessions. And this week we're looking at Photoshop, the toolbar for photographers. And we'll probably actually do that over 2 weeks because there's loads of tools in there, and it's an overview of what the tools are, what are the icons, and what do they do. We're not going to drill down deep into each individual tool. You're going to tell you what that icon is, what it allows us to do. And then Thursday the 18th, it's the complementary session to Tuesday, Lightroom, folders versus the cloud. How to manage your images locally, but how to manage them in the cloud, across your devices, and across the ecosystem of Lightroom and Adobe Cloud. So if you'd like to come and join us, lightroommark.co.uk/events, you'll see all the upcoming events. If you'd like to regularly attend, consider being a member. Visit me on Patreon. If you're watching this on YouTube, got a question, leave it in the comments, like and subscribe, and I look forward to welcoming you one day to one of our live Lightroom Classic, Photoshop, post-processing, skills and support sessions. Happy editing!